Hey, what's up, guys? We're back painting with Billy again. We're going to be doing a portrait today. We're going to be doing Alan Sideen or Sideen. Not sure exactly how to pronounce it. I'm not a linguist. I'm not an English major. I've made that abundantly clear before. I do my best, but when it comes to last names, forget it. I'm just not good at it, and that's why I'm an artist. So we're going to start with our piece of paper. I'm going to make sure that I center it this time. I haven't been doing that. And then I'll watch the video. And yeah, you can't, it's not centered. So we're going to go ahead and I'll show you what supplies I have to work with today. And actually it's funny because Alan offered to do a portrait of me, which is weird because it's like the master becomes, the apprentice becomes the master. I guess he's been watching enough of my videos where he feels comfortable doing a portrait. I don't think he's going to do it well, just because I don't trust anyone doing my portrait except me. And that's why I uploaded the video of myself doing my own portrait, because I don't, it's just something about someone else drawing me. I just don't feel comfortable. I feel like they wouldn't do me justice because of my unique features and stuff. So, well, this is the stuff we have to work with today. And I don't know what this is actually, because it's a lot of odd shapes. I don't see how you'd really ever use them. The circle, definitely. We'll be using that for sure. So let's get started. We're going to start with a pen. And now Alan, I'm already 2 minutes in. I'm wasting so much time here, given the backstory, unnecessary banter. So we'll try to speed this up to a fast. So Alan's face is like round, like most people. And he's kind of like squinting his eyes. I'm assuming it looks like a bright sunny day, so maybe the sun's like right in his eyes. So I'll try to, I made them too wide. Yeah, his eyes are kind of like squinty, so we'll do eyelids, like closed, squinty. And seems like a very happy fellow. So his nose kind of comes out like that. Very intimidating nose. And he's smiling like, he's happy to be there, but he'd be just as happy probably being anywhere. So he's got a couple teeth in there. Not too many. We'll color them in right away because sometimes I forget to color in the teeth. I've noticed that's a kind of one of my weak points is remembering to color in some of these details. So he's standing like this. And he's wearing kind of like a fluorescent, oh, his arm's coming out like that. It's no problem. If you, like I made a mistake right here, but because art is subjective, there's actually no such thing as a mistake. So his arm comes out like that. It's kind of like a crab-like. I'm so tempted to draw an eye right here. I think I'm going to go ahead because it looks like an animal. And like animals are my specialty. That's my forte. So I drew some teeth. Looks like an probably shouldn't have done that because now it doesn't really make sense. Because he's holding, looks like he made a portrait. And he's holding it. Fuck. It's all right. We can fix this. Just doesn't make sense now. That's one of the issues I have as an artist is because I'm kind of like living in the moment and drawing and not thinking. and I'll kind of improvise. Whoops. And then as I'm improvising, I realize you don't really get to improvise when you're doing a portrait, because you're supposed to just be drawing what you see. But it's no problem, because his hand does still kind of look like that. This fucking yellow is not sharpened. Okay. Oh, yeah. So what I was saying before, let me do his hair real quick. We'll do gray. Oh, that's green. Fuck. Why is there a fucking gray cap on it? There we go. So he went to his barber, and barber said, "Alan, my man, what's going on?" And Alan said, "Dude, cut my hair." Yeah, it wasn't a very exciting visit to the barber shop. Kind of awkward. So the vest he's wearing is like yellow and orange, which we don't have orange, but we do have a red crayon. Kind of similar. Can't really tell the difference. Red and orange, for all intents and purposes, are the same color. So we did the vest. Oh, there's this other lady in the picture, actually. Might as well draw her. She's helping to hold this picture up. So she's wearing glasses. Don't make fun of her. Oh my god. It's just funny to me that I should have used this to make the glasses. Finally have a use for this thing, and I don't even use it. That's how see, like when I'm talking, it's hard for me to concentrate sometimes. Not all the time. Okay. And then she's wearing a nice green jacket. Oh, her fingers are kind of like gripping this, like you don't want to drop that. Because that's a good one. I think that's actually a portrait of her. I guess he did, Alan here did a portrait of this lady. And she has yellow hair. And she does have a mouth. Forgot to add that. Yeah, she's smiling. She's smiling because her portrait's done by Alan. And Alan learned from the best. There we go. And green. Do I have green? I don't have green. What colors can you mix to make green? I've probably these two. Go ahead and mix these two. Should make green. Nope. Forgot my color wheel again. Whatever. Let's see. And then they're standing right in front of in front of a square, with a little square right there. And it looks like they're at like a fair or some sort of theme park or something. So we'll go ahead and draw like other people. Just doing this real quick. It's like a balloon bouncy castle. Maybe there's probably someone on it bouncing, probably a kid. So we'll indicate that they're a kid by giving them, these are their parents right there. Don't jump too high. Careful. There's the mom and the dad. And then there's like another guy right there. All All right, Alan, we're going on 10 minutes now, so I'm gonna have to wrap it up. I'm gonna say that we're done here. So let's compare it to the original. Ah, shit. Phone's not right. And I hope this isn't upside down. But yeah, there it is. Just in case it's upside down, I'm gonna do this. Okay, there we go. That's much better. All right, Alan, there you go. Thanks, guys. See you later.